Do you want to make your Instagram account private so that only people you approve and your existing followers can see your videos, stories, and photos? I can show you how. This is my Instagram feed. To make your Instagram account private, tap your picture in the bottom right-hand corner. This will take you to your profile page. Then tap the three bars in the upper right-hand corner and select Settings. Then tap Privacy and Security and Account Privacy. Turn the switch on to make your account private. Notice the message below that says, when your account is private, only people you approve can see what you post. This is my profile page. If I tap on the heart, you'll notice that I have a new section labeled Follower Requests. This wasn't there before. When you have a private account and somebody makes a request to follow you, it will appear here. The reason you don't see any is because I don't have any at the time of this recording.
I love Mike's videos. Please subscribe to his channel for more tips, tricks, and tutorials.
If you have a problem with any part of this process, leave a comment below so I can help you. Don't forget to click that thumbs up if you liked the video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.